everyone, I'm Nana and this is my dog, Choco. And today I am going to teach you how to thread a needle for saddle stitch, not her. I'm not a big fan of long introduction, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe and I will make more videos in the future. And so let's get this tutorial started. Let's talk about what we need for saddle stitch. All we need are 2 needles and the thread that are measured according to your leather project requirements. To thread a needle, first you would need to pull the thread and go through the eye of one needle. The thread would be longer than the needle, about 1.5 to 2 lengths of the needle. Then I will pierce the thread on the needle using 1.5 times length of the needle to form a C shape. You can stop here and pull the long and short thread towards the eye of the needle to secure it. But if you want to make it more secure, you could pierce one more time to form an S shape before straightening. Do it on the other side of the thread as well, and you are ready for saddle stitch.
Kick.
This is the end of the video. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.